It's so nice. We did it. Thank you, babe. You did a great job here. It looks so good. You ready, Alex?
I'm glad you guys enjoyed the last video, and don't worry, the wall art is going to change. That's just the first layer. It's way too bright and crazy for me. And our TSD project spotlight is a bookshelf makeover. I think the clutter of the bookshelves was just too much for her, so she covered them, and now you've got a really like a Japanese vibe going on. Thanks for sharing. If you have any TSD project spotlights you want to share with me, you can tag me on Instagram at the Suitcase Designer. We are back with everybody's favorite K-beauty guru, Eunice. If you're not following her and you want to learn all about K-beauty, I'll leave her link to her channel in the description box down below. Today we are going to not fully finish, but make serious progress in the skincare room, and with all of her K-beauty shelves, we have so much to do, and all of our product has arrived. For Eunice's makeover, we did decide that it was best to invest in some pieces to really get her organized, because skincare is her job and she needs to stay organized, and we knew exactly what we wanted to order because I made a list. Hopefully all of the planning works out and nothing is cracked. That's what we're just crossing our fingers for. We're going to unpackage all of these and really just jump into getting her organized. We did kind of clear out the room just so we could have space to work. But look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a skincare dream. I'm so excited for this video. Okay, first is kind of going over my plan with Eunice, and I thought we would separate these out into categories. So I'm doing the cleansers and Eunice is starting on the toners right now, and we actually found these really cool Lazy Susans. We only had 2 options for us in ordering in Korea, and luckily this one is going to work out really well. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn all of the bottles so that the front of the label is facing the front. But how incredible is this rotating now toner shelf? She can always see what she wants. Nothing gets lost. This is going to really be a game changer for her in her skincare room.
This is so exciting! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh, it's so smooth. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
And we still have space to do you think toner pads right here?
Yeah.
And I thought we could just stack them without a container, because they're always changing, right? What toner pads you have. When I'm organizing, I'm trying not to go like crazy overboard with organizers. So for these, just stack them. They're always changing. It makes more sense. But our first before and after, isn't it insane? Can you just imagine how much easier it's going to be for her to work now? So now we're going to start with the serums. I think this shelf is going to look the best just because the bottles are so small. I got these 3-tiered shelves and they won't fall over because they have this extra lip on the side, which I was really lucky to find here in Korea.
Okay, perfect. Oh, it looks so nice. I want to come shopping here.
I know a lot of skincare shelves try to color coordinate all of their stuff, but for Eunice that just doesn't make sense because her products are rotating constantly. So we just tried to make them fit and they look beautiful just the way they are. And we have another rotating shelf for the win.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so good. Oh my gosh.
So remember, this is just our progress update makeover today. We still have a final makeover reveal coming at the end of this series, and that's going to show everything kind of finalized. So there's one more video coming up, so stay tuned for that one. We're getting started now on our sample box. If you guys live in Korea, you know samples are insane here. You get them with every purchase, and she tries them out for her job. So we're creating this really cute box. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And we just made sure to put all the labels facing the top just so that it looks very sexy at all times. Next, we have these are the creams that are in jars. So I thought we could use another 3-tier shelf, and you can see how it has this little lip going around it. So it's really nice because things won't fall down. Unfortunately, she has so many that we're having to double stack them, but I think because it's just going to be stationary on the shelf, it won't be a problem. And Eunice is setting up our last rotating shelf. Those dividers in the middle are also interchangeable. So you can take them out, which we did on the others, or you can leave them in. And we're getting her organized. We chose the clear labels today, not for everything, but just for these rotating shelves that we had to mix a lot of product together just to keep them organized. But I love this shelf. I mean, just so good. Next up is the needs to film. This is stuff that's coming up soon for her job. She needs to film it. She's getting her more organized so that she's more motivated to film. And then we have her little jewelry station. We got these organizers online from Muji, and they were quite affordable. We unfortunately don't have enough space in this one, so we're going to order one more so you can see the final shelf in the last episode of the series. And while we're doing this, we're also getting rid of any extra baggies that she doesn't need anymore. Our room has been getting out of control, so I'm going to quickly kind of organize the floor and get started in this back shelf. But you can see it's really hard to get back there because you have that shelf that's in front of the window that's kind of blocking the way. So I want to clear off that entire shelf, and it sounds weird, but in order to do that, we need to clean up this little mini rolling skincare facial cart. So we're going to try and really clean this up for her. And, you know, just get out things like plastic bags and just other miscellaneous items that don't really need to be there anymore, like, yeah, another plastic bag and maybe this partially broken bag. We're going to get all of this stuff out.
I know where to put these.
What? Wait, what?
I know where to put these.
I don't even remember. Where did they go? Yeah. Hey, wait, while you're in there, should we take one of these for your cotton buds?
You want it?
That one's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to follow you so we can see what it looks like.
Because the container, it did look really not that aesthetics. Everything is still in place.
These ugly guys.
It's gonna be so beautiful.
Putting your cotton swabs and Q-tips in these acrylic organizers are such an affordable way to elevate your vanity area or your bathroom or wherever you use them. Go ahead and just treat yourself. All right, back to the skincare shelf and getting out this cable. I'm trying to clean off this other cart because I feel like, shelf. So I feel like we're not going to need all 3 shelves.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
This was all of the stuff that was down here. We're going to try to move it over here.
Oh yeah, all the brushes here. And then I have everything here.
I really think by just going back and kind of carefully organizing this cart, not even like getting crazy with organizing, but just taking a little more care with how we put everything in there, that we can fit most of the stuff that was on that 3rd skincare shelf. We can fit that on the cart, and then hopefully we can get the shelf out of the room completely and free up space. And look how much better this cart already looks. So much cleaner, and we've ended up freeing up that entire bottom shelf. And I think this stuff we can find other spaces for, which means bye-bye shelf in front of the window. And now that that shelf is gone, we have better access to this other like accessories and makeup shelf down here. And we're actually putting some filming stuff in the bottom as well. The shelf we're just kind of roughly organizing, and again for the final makeover video we'll come back and show you what we end up doing here. But it's getting late, so we wanted to go ahead and start cleaning up the room tonight so that it looks a little better. Miscellaneous objects just keep seeming to pop up around the room. I'm not sure how that happens, but it happens with every makeover. So we're just trying to clean these up and get out all of the extra boxes and plastics and all of those. That's a whole stack of organizers that we got out of her room today. But this is a good stopping point for us tonight. And we just need to take a moment to really admire our beautiful skincare shelves, and that's a disaster in the hallway.
Oh my gosh, it's good. Oh my god,
whenever I asked you about the tier, I know you weren't like as into it.
Yeah.
But then I was like, wait, I found these with the lip there. I was like,
yeah,
I think these are going to be perfect.
It works.
And the round,
and you can see everything.
Yeah,
it's perfect.
Oh
my gosh, you guys, it's so nice. We did it. Thank you, babe.
We did a great job. down here. It looks so good.
Oh my gosh, okay, I'm nervous to see his reaction. Okay.
Hi!
I missed you. Close your eyes.
Okay.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! So nice.
It's,
Wow.
it's nice, right?
Oh yeah.
Can you tell what the differences are? More sections?
Oh yeah.
Can you tell?
Cleanser, toner, ampoule,
Ooh,
cream,
I taught him
it's so good.
and good cream.
Good cream.
both good cream. Jars and
Oh,
tubes.
God. Oh yeah.
Mist,
Mm-mm-mm.
hands,
Oh.
like sanitizer.
Ooh.
Really nice, right? Look, look. Oh,
Yeah,
he
yeah.
likes patches.
Oh, yeah.
너무 이쁘지? All samples.
Yeah, so
Really, it
nice.
looks so nice. We have cotton pads,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
we have more cotton pads and like body.
Got April.
Yay!
So we still do have a lot to do in this room. This is a pile of stuff we have to go through. Eunice needs to film this entire bag of empties. But look how beautiful the start of these skincare shelves are and her accessory shelves. This one, we had a lot of broken organizers that showed up. So we're going to have to finish this one later. But so much better already. This is a dream. This is all of the stuff that she needs to film. How beautiful is that? We have cleansers and our toner pads and toners. Now all of the product is set up so beautifully, you just want to use it. And I already watched her at night come through and pick out which one she wanted to try for the night. And it was so easy because of these rotating shelves and because of the 3 tiers. So her life and the stress of like getting ready and finding products for her job is going down so much with these. This shelf is for tube creams and for sunscreen, and even though there's a lot of things packed in there, they still really won't get lost. And then we have our very beautiful ample shelf. This one's my favorite just because all the bottles are so cute. And again, no problem with finding anything in there. And for some reason, I went back up to the cleansers right now, but it's just because I think they're so beautiful and all set up so well, along with the toner pads. But moving down to her, what do you call these? The jars of cream. Again, they are double stacked, sometimes triple stacked, but I think it's going to be okay just because I don't really think they're going to fall down on her. And then we have another rotating shelf. We have mask and we have spot treatments, oils, eye creams all in here, as well as mist. So it's all organized very well. Here we have all of her patches, and these are the best nose strips ever that Eunice introduced me to. And we have all of her samples down here, which it's really hard to open it with one hand while you're filming, but you get the idea. So beautiful, and she can use all of those up on her honeymoon soon. And in the very back, we have all of her light therapy mask as well. We have cotton pads here, and then we have all of her body creams. And moving to the bottom shelf, next shelf, we have more stuff that she needs to film. We have supplies for filming, bags we still need to go through. And this is the makeup situation where we still need to get some more product to really get this organized. And our second jewelry organizer showed up the next morning, but it was actually broken, so that was really a bummer. So this kind of will stay like this until we get more of those products in. And then her bags up here, it just looks so much better from before. I love these shelves. I can't wait to finish this room. We have some more things that we're going to do, so you'll have to stay tuned, but this is just crazy good progress already. Let's just soak it all in. Just really take these before and afters in. Enjoy it. We all worked very hard on this project. Not you guys. You guys actually just watched us work very hard. Just kidding. You guys are supporting us from afar, and that's all that matters. We have a few episodes left of our Almost Married series before Eunice gets married. So stay tuned. Come back every Tuesday and check out our Studio Living series on Sunday. Thanks for watching.